Hi everybody, this is Divya and welcome back to another episode of Creative Living. Um, I look a little low today because I am feeling low. I have been feeling really miserable for the last few days, and today's episode is exactly about that. Why do we go through these unexplainable lows sometimes, despite things being largely okay or same in our lives? Do you have days when you just cannot stop crying and the worst things about you keep coming up in your head and you keep talking awful things about yourself in your head and you keep criticizing yourself and there is a voice in your head that just will not shut up and you feel like you're failing in everything in life and and you're no good, you're not worthy, and everything is just absolute shit and you can't stop crying like I said, and you really don't have the motivation or the will to do anything, and you don't know why you're feeling this way, and people around you are asking you what is wrong and you don't know what to tell them because objectively there is nothing wrong, and but then you feel like everything is wrong from the inside, and you just feel more miserable. Like the more people ask you, you feel like even more guilt that you're putting people you love through that. And also there is also the privilege, right, that we are we are in this position today. We are safe, we are educated, we are smart, we have so many good things in life, and yet we cannot stop feeling like this, and that guilt does not help. It just adds to your misery, and overall you just don't know what to do. I've been trying to understand why I feel this way for a long time. Some doctors said it's hormones, some therapists said it's hormones. Usually, everybody seems to agree that it's largely hormonal. Different people have given different names for it, but I don't know. Like even when you're doing everything right, even when you're eating right and working out, and of course, I mean, can't contain stress. I really haven't figured that one out yet. I really cannot. But even if you largely try to control the other factors that may create any sort of hormonal imbalance, you still have these days. I still have these days, and it just feels so frustrating at times and just miserable. Like one therapist I was talking to told me that I could have something called PMDD, which typically occurs a week before our periods. We got 10 days, and it does seem to make sense. I do feel my worst a week before my periods, and I feel extremely sensitive. I feel extremely negative. I feel very small, very miserable, and I'm not happy. I'm like super sad sometimes, and I just burst into tears for the smallest reasons. And I have tried tracking that, and yeah, I felt like maybe it's that, though I have not gotten a clinical diagnosis yet. But another doctor told me that I should take a hormonal test, and I should see what's happening and stuff. I had PCOS at some point, but then I got it cleared with some lifestyle changes. Now I don't know where I stand. Maybe I have it again. But my point is that even though we know that there are some chemicals that are causing this, it just feels so real in our head. It just feels so real in my head, and it's very hard to deal with, like, every fucking month. And it's just tiring because nobody else in your house is going through this. It's just you. And most of the times people don't get it, and they just pile on to it with their questions and sometimes making it about themselves. It's a lot to deal with. Like, so I just try to not show that I'm going through something like this, because I don't know how to explain this, I really don't. I don't have the tools or the words for it. The reason I wanted to do this video today is because I've spoken about this with my girlfriends, and I've spoken about it with a few women, and I know that there are a lot of people who struggle with it. There are a lot of people who feel this way, and even though sometimes it feels like I'm alone, like I know that I'm not the only one going through this, and there are a lot of people who are in the same boat as me. And I just want to put it out there that many of us, or some of us, I hope it's some of us, have these days. And the sad part is we are still expected to show up 100% at work, at home, in our personal lives, in our social life, in our love life, in our work life, all our lives. And it's hard. It's hard because, like I said, you don't yourself know what's going on with you. And like for the last few days, it's been really crazy for me. Like, work has been crazy, and I do notice that whenever I'm not at peace with myself, I try to put myself doubly into work so that I don't have to really think about or deal with whatever is going on in my head. So it's been a lot of long nights, it's been a lot of stretching myself and pushing myself into things. But even then, I feel like I have just burst into tears in like the most random moments, and somehow I always feel better about it, so I never stop myself. But it's been crazy. Like, going back to the gym was, I had to push myself so hard to get back on the journey. Going back to pole was even harder. Like, all the others have made so much more progress, and like going back after an injury and then starting back again, and then just taking a lot longer than everybody else. It's hard, like, especially because if you're a competitive person and you're hard on yourself, it's not easy. So that is messing with my head. That's been messing with my head. And then your normal girl issues, like overall imposter syndrome, body image, abandonment, you name it, it's all there. So, and that, and then some other things that's going on. I just feel like everything is so heavy and everything is just so hopeless right now. Like, I've been feeling that only for the last few days, and this is not a feeling I have always. And I know this, I'm smart enough to realize this, but it's still hard to deal with, you know what I'm saying? So I've been having this feeling that I'm failing in life, and I don't know why. Though everything, if you look at my life, it kind of looks amazing from the outside. So obviously something is messing with my head, and obviously I can't listen to that voice. But and most of the days I'm better than that voice, I'm stronger than that voice. But on some days, like today, that voice is just so fucking vicious, and like, I don't know what to do about it, so I just sleep, or I just cry, or I just like try to do one or two things that day and just be myself, and like try to live with myself. The point is that I know things will get better, I know that this is temporary, but I do not want to come and make some weird video about something that is totally opposite to how I'm feeling right now or what I want to talk about right now. So I just thought I'll put it out there and see if there are more of you who feel that way. This feeling of unexplainable sadness or feeling low, and I would love to hear your take on how you deal with it, and if I can do anything differently. But even if there isn't a solution, it still comforts me to know that I'm not the only one, and that we can all together build a world where we can be human and we can accept each other with all our bad days and know that there will be better days ahead, and then there'll be bad days again and then there'll be better days ahead, because I think that's just what life is. I'll see you all next week with another episode. Thank you. Take care.